It's stuck in park, pretty much.
Yeah. The guy earlier said he couldn't get out of the garage. It won't start. Can't shift it to neutral.
Really?
Initially, we were talking to Cadillac service. The one on the phone wasn't very helpful. First guy came with the wrong equipment.
I'm so sick of everyone not communicating.
This is an expensive car. I would totally be like, no, you're gonna do this right. I mean,
Yeah.
Stick around when we hold it down. Look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? This thing is four-wheel drive. It's stuck in park inside these people's garage. Nose dead. Brand new Cadillac Escalade. Big, heavy one. 7,700 pounds. Heavy one. Decided it was done. Took a full shit in these people's garage.
how's it going?
Yeah, how are you? I'm gonna call Cadillac service. And then he said he called the garage and had a swap to a battery swap.
They jumped it a few times to try to get it started. A few times they actually did get it started, but this last time it just refused to do anything.
Actually talked to Cadillac service,
Mm-hmm.
and they didn't quite understand. I explained to them that I already had someone try to jump it for me. I can't shift it to neutral.
It's stuck in park, pretty much.
Yeah.
Is it all-wheel drive?
I think it's you and a four-wheel when I had
It's four-wheel drive. For a flatbed, that's a bit of a pain in the ass, but for me and my auto loader, it's a tad bit easier. Just a little bit.
The guy with the truck earlier was a way bigger truck. It had the flatbed on it.
Yeah,
But
that's
he
what it
said-
should be on.
He said that he has the option to get these, like the wheel things that can sit on the back tires and move it, but he said with this driveway and these pavers that he couldn't do it. He couldn't get out of the garage with what the tools that he had. He said these
Yeah.
pavers in the driveway. I'm rude for trying to make sure she understands what's
I mean,
going on.
this is an expensive car. I would totally be like, no, you're gonna do this right. I mean,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? I'm sure this thing is pretty close to $100,000, right?
If I'm gonna pay that much money for a car, I'm gonna expect that motherfucker to run.
I'm so sick of everyone not communicating. We have 2 more pods coming and they're putting them in the driveway.
Well, yeah, let me try to get this thing out of the driveway first.
Closed around the rear wheels, picked it up off the ground just a little bit, stuck the owner behind the wheel of his own car, told him just to hold the steering wheel straight. Don't let that thing turn a bit. We get the thing out to the street. New plan. We's gonna have a flatbed come and take that car where it's gonna go. I don't want to damage the equipment when there's no point and it's not necessary when there's plenty of flatbeds out there that can come get it. Push it on up onto the back of that flatbed, got it loaded for him to go ahead and transport it. In fact, the flatbed was out there before I went out there. Couldn't get it because of where it was. Alright, no problem, it ain't in there no more. Thing is that my truck would have been able to handle it, but I don't think the dollies would have did very well with how far it was going. What's going on with these new cars though? It seemed like I got more new cars on the hook than I got the older cars. I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.